Hello friends, today we'll talk about agricultural practices and we will go into detail of how soil preparation is done. Crop production and cultivation involves different processes and techniques. Agriculture involves different processes such as sowing seeds, irrigation, harvesting and storing. All these activities are called agricultural processes or practices. Agriculture is a step-by-step process that involves the following steps which are listed on this slide, but we will be doing in detail the preparation of the soil. Preparation of soil is the first step before growing of crop. It helps to turn the soil and loosen it to allow the roots to penetrate deep into it. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. Why does the loosening of soil allow the roots to breathe easily? It is necessary to turn and loosen the soil because only loose soil allows the roots to penetrate freely deeper into the soil. The roots can breathe easily in loose soil. The loosening of the soil helps in the growth of several soil microbes, earthworms, etc., which enrich the soil with humus and other essential nutrients. These organisms are friends of the farmers since they further turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. Why does the soil need to be turned and loosened? It is necessary to turn and loosen the soil because only loose soil allows the roots to penetrate freely deeper into the soil. The deep roots hold the plants firmly. The water also can reach easily up to more depth in the loose soils. It enables the soil to mix uniformly with the manure and the fertilizers. Preparation of soil before sowing seeds is the most important step, as soil anchors the plants, provides oxygen and nutrients to the plants. Hence, it is important that soil is properly turned and loosened. Soil also contains minerals, water, air, and some living organisms. In addition, the dead plants and animals get decomposed by soil organisms. In this way, various nutrients held in the dead organisms are released back into the soil. These nutrients are again absorbed by plants. Since only a few centimeters of the top layer of soil supports plant growth, turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil on the top so that plants can use these nutrients. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done by using of a plow. Plowing can be done by using wooden or iron plows. These plows can be pulled by either animals or machines like tractors. Nowadays, tractors are used most commonly as they make the process faster and cheaper. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plowing. The plowed field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank. The field is labeled for sowing as well as for irrigation purposes. The leveling of soil is done with the help of a leveler. Leveling helps in the uniform distribution of soil and helps in uniform irrigation of fields. Sometimes manure is also added to the soil before tilling. This helps in proper mixing of manure with soil. The soil is watered before sowing. Plowing of the field is done by certain agricultural implements. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break soil to size of grains to get better yield. It is done by the help of various tools. The main tools used for this purpose are the plow, the hoe, the cultivator, the tractor, etc. The plow is an implement which is made up of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals like horses, camels, etc. It contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. The main part of the plow is a long log of wood which is called the plow shaft. There is a handle at one end of the shaft. The other end is attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. One pair of bulls and a man can easily operate the plow. The indigenous wooden plow is increasingly being replaced by iron plows nowadays. This is a traditional plow. These two bulls are pulling the plow wherein the man is supervising the bulls so that they don't go haywire. This is the wooden plow shaft, the plow share, and the beam which is kept on top of the bull's neck. The next implement that is used widely for preparation of the soil is the hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and it works like a blade. So this is the blade which is used. uh, if it is manually used, this handle is used by the farmer, and if it is not manually used, if it is pulled by an animal, then this beam is kept on the neck of the animal and the farmer grips the handle. Nowadays, plowing is done by tractor-driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. With that, we come to the end of the topic, preparation of soil. The next video will cover the sowing of seeds. Thank you. To learn the next steps and processes in agricultural practices, please watch my next video. You may contact me on the email address given on the screen below or WhatsApp at the number given below. Please press the like, share, bell and subscribe button if you like my video. See you soon.